friends, welcome to my new video. This is my day 2 episode of DevOps CI/CD pipeline project. In the last video, I already showed how to create a infrastructure for this project. Now I am going to do the first step. The first step is clone the repo. I'm going to show you how to clone the private GitHub repo. Let's get started. Now I already have a Jenkins server is up and running. I already connected to the Jenkins server also. This is my Jenkins SSH connection. Now here I am going to create a new job. I'm just clicking on create job. Now I'm going to give the name as a CI CD job 1. I'm going to choose the pipeline job. Click on this one. Click on OK. Here I'm going to choose the script. Here I'm taking a one simple hello world template for a pipeline script. Here I really don't know how to write the pipeline script. I know just the syntax. So if you don't know how to write, just click on pipeline syntax, this one. So here you can generate a code for any specific requirement. So now my requirement is cloning the GitHub repo, right? So just click on this one, simple step. Here check for a checkout. Checkout from the version control. Click on this one. Now it is asking for a SCM, source control management, which source control management you want to use. It is automatically default taking the Git. If you have any other, you want to clone the repo, you just need to install that plugin and you can select that one. Now it is asking for a repository URL. Now I'm going to open my GitHub. You can see this is my GitHub repository, which is available in a private. See, you can see the log symbol here. Now if I want to clone this repo means I just want to come to code, just copy the URL here, just paste it here. And again, you need to add a credential because it is a private repository, right? Okay, it is asking some fail to connect this repo comment. Okay, copy. Okay, I think this one is asking for a access code and a secret code. We will fix this error afterwards. I will show you how to fix. Now I just copy the public GitHub URL. Now here, because of my GitHub repo is in private repository, so I need to add a credential for that. Just click on add here. Click on global credential. Here there is more options for you, like a username, password, GitHub app, SSH username with a private key. Here I'm going to choose the username with a password. Just click on OK. Here you need to specify the username. So I'm going to copy my username here. This is my URL. This is my name. Copy it, paste it here. Here password, don't add the GitHub password directly when you are logging to the GitHub, right? That time it is going to ask the password. So here you can pass the GitHub password or you can pass the access key, access token or a secret token. Like this thing you can access. But passing the direct password is not the best practice. So I am going to create a one token here. For creating the token, just come here, go to the settings. Here come down, come to the developer settings. Here you can see personal access token. Click on this one. Tokens, classics. Just click on this one. Here you can generate a new token. Here it is asking for a generate new token. Generate a new token with a classic. I'm going to use the classic one. Okay, it is going to ask for a math code. When you are generating the access key, it is going to, when you are generating the access token, it is going to ask for a math code because they have to verify that you are the authorized person to generate the access token or not. Here I need to give the token name. I'm going to give the Docker uh, token. Okay. Here you can specify the what is the use of that token. Here this token is going to expire after 30 days. It means September 3rd. It is going to expire. Now I'm going to select the scope. I'm going to just select the repository. I'm not going to do anything about the rest of the things because I just want to clone the repo. That's it. I don't want to do anything extra for that. So after that, just click on generate token. Now you can see this token is generated. Just copy it and paste it in a instead of password. Just paste this token. Here specify the ID, what name you want to give to this credential. I'm going to give the Docker cred. Just create. Now you can see this is available. Just now I created. Just use that one. See now the error is got over. Now come down. It is going to ask for a branch name. I don't know which branch it is there. Actually now I need to use the dev branch because now in a dev branch I already worked all the things. In a dev branch I pushed the code. So I am using the branch name is dev. Here rest of the things leave it as a default. Then click on generate pipeline syntax. Now it gives a simple code. Just copy these lines of code and go to the job pipeline. Just remove this one echo hello world, then paste it here. This is how you can use the pipeline syntax to generate the code and use it. Here instead of stage name hello, I'm going to give the name as a checkout. Checkout. Okay, this is my stage name. Let me see whether it is cloning properly or not. Just click on save and click on build now. Before that, I'm going to the Jenkins server and go to the workspace folder. Now if I run the sudo su Jenkins. Now I switch to the sudo user. Now I'm going to the Jenkins home directory cd/var/lib then /Jenkins. If I do ls, you can see all the files and folders are related to Jenkins. Now I'm going inside the workspace directory, cd workspace. If I do ls, you can see CI/CD job 1 is already there. Now I'm going inside the CI/CD job. If I do ls, now you can see my all the files and folders which are available in the GitHub repository are available in my Jenkins server. Now with these files I can do next steps, which is the part of building the Maven, build with Maven. In the next video, I will show you how to build a project, how to build a Java project with the Maven. If you are not following my project, please go through the last videos which is available in a playlist so that you can get to understand that what I am going to do and next upcoming videos what I am going to doing, you all can get to together. So this is the end of this video for today. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next step, which is build with Maven.